to all of you. Oh, man. Well, hey YouTube, we did it. We hit 500 subscribers. I never thought it was going to be possible to do that, but we did. So, thank you. Thank you all. And to say thank you, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to give away 3 items. And I'm going to open this up to the US and Canada. Sorry to all you guys over in Europe. I really would like to thank you guys personally for supporting our channel and helping out. And if there was a way that I could figure out to show you my gratitude, I would. And I'm still researching that on how I can include Europe into giveaways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away 3 items. And how I'm going to do this is I'm going to use the random picker, and the first person who I draw or who comes up and meets the criteria will have their first choice of the 3 items. Then we'll do it again. I'll give that person a couple weeks to get back to me and tell me what they want with their address. Then the second person that I draw will get second choice of the 2 items that is left, and they'll get a couple weeks to say, oh, I want this. So what I'll do is say, you know, give me your first, second, and third choice, and we'll go from there. And then the third person I draw, of course, will get the remaining item. So, what do we have to give away to show our appreciation? Well, the first thing we got is this right here. Oh, let's see if we can get it there. This is a Wi-Fi grilling thermometer. Maybe you can see the back of it. It says that it's for Android and iPhone, iOS compatible. So we'll give one of these away. Pretty nice little digital thermometer. I really haven't looked at it too much. So it is USB charging, does Celsius as well as Fahrenheit, and it looks like it just has one probe sensor in it. But we'll give this away to whoever meets the criteria. Then the next thing we're going to give away is this right here, an official Rshackbbq company t-shirt. Now, I'm not a model, so I'm not going to stand up and show you this, but luckily I have somebody who is, and they agreed to model it. So we'll cut to that video right now. Okay, that's Jax. Jax is my, you know, that cousin that you don't talk about too much, and he likes to have a good time. But he was a model. Well, at least he tells me he was. And what he used to model were kneecaps. What? Yeah, you know, when they would take pictures of shorts, your kneecap would be in there, and that's his what he would model that he marketed. I don't think he did very well at it. But anyway, as you saw, these shirts, the front of it has the Rshack logo on it, and then on the back It says regulators mount up barbecue crew. It's really bright red. I don't know why on my camera. There's a good angle. They seem to be orange, but it's actually red. Now, right now, we only have these in larges and double XL, so double extra large. Hopefully that'll fit your size that you want. We also sell these. You'll see that on our Rshackbbq on Facebook. So make sure that you understand I only have larges and double XLs. I'm working on getting more made up in the medium and then XL and even triple XL for guys like me. But anyway, so we have the shirt as a giveaway too, which I really like. And then the last thing we're going to give away is we're going to make it rain. A little hard when you only have two. So I am going to give away 25 big ones, US dollars. So this is yours too if you want. Just tell me which one you want. $25. The really cool meat thermometer, Wi-Fi, or one of our official Rshack t-shirts. All right, so how are we gonna do this? Well, I'm gonna post up this video, and all you gotta do is down in the comments below is #regulators. And if you need help spelling that, let me show you it again. REGULATORS, regulators. Just hashtag that down in the comments. Give us a like. That's always important. Thumbs up. And let's see. Let me take a quick look at this. I should have been better prepared. I'm sorry. On May 15th, I will say 2 o'clock Pacific Coast time. That puts it about 5 East Coast time. 2 o'clock, May 15th, I will do the random picker and pick 3 winners. And then you'll have to watch that picking video because you'll hear me call you out, and then you will need to respond to rshackbbq@gmail.com with your information. And then I will tell you what you won or let you pick what you won, and we will go from there. So once again, thank you. Thank you to all of you that take the time out of all our busy schedules and watch the videos that I make. I really appreciate it. We really appreciate it here. And we are going to continue doing more videos. And like I say, Rshackbbq and other things. There will always be other things added in, as well as our cooking and using our different cookers and stuff that we have around here. So exciting times. I hope you're all enjoying your spring, and get out there and grill. Thank you.